if you're looking for a compact bag that is still quite large, this one here is really great. This one clearly is the purple, but it does come in different colors. And let's check out all the different pockets. You've got this nice front one right here. You've got the other front one, and this one is really deep as well. It's going right to the bottom, which is nice. I always love these little like clip pockets here. This is great just to kind of slide in your phone if you're kind of doing something, want to whip out your phone for some quick pictures, which is great. And then of course you have the main pocket right here. As you can see, it is quite large. It does also come with the cable because you have the spot right here. So a lot of people see this and they think that it actually comes with the power bank, and it doesn't. Basically what this is going to allow you to do is you put your power bank inside the bag, and then you have your cable attached, and then you can have your phone, and it will be, you know, plugged in on the side, but you can be walking around with your phone while it is charging. So that way you're not holding a power bank and you're holding your phone. So I think this is really great, but oftentimes people are like, wait, it doesn't come with the power bank, and then they don't love it. But for me, I would prefer this. And then on the back right here, you have your strap, which could be attached on either side. You can kind of change which way you want it across your body. And I do like that the top part of the strap here has like some padding, and of course you've got the mesh there, so it makes it really breathable. So this either could be worn, I'm just careful with the mic, you can either have this across your front like this, or you can switch it around and then you can have it across the front as well, just depending on, some people don't want it on their back, you know, so that they can see it at all times. But yeah, I think this is really great, especially for travel.